Welcome back to the podcast. Today we're switching to the question and answer format. Question 1. What makes Zaragoza so special, and why should I choose it over Madrid or Barcelona? That's a great place to start, and one we often hear. This city doesn't actually compete with Spain's larger cities, but that's the magic. It's big enough to feel dynamic and small enough to stay personal. You can walk almost everywhere, and yet you still have vibrant nightlife, museums, universities, and great shopping. Question 2. What's the cost of living like? That's one of the city's biggest advantages. When you compare it to Madrid, Barcelona, or coastal regions, you'll find this city to be much more affordable. Rent for a comfortable apartment in a good neighborhood can be hundreds of euros less per month than in larger cities. Groceries, dining, transportation, and entertainment are generally reasonably priced and predictable. For Americans moving from places like Los Angeles, Boston, or Seattle, this affordability translates into real breathing room, more travel, more meals, and a lifestyle that feels both high quality and manageable. Question 2. How do I ship my belongings to an inland city? Most Americans moving inland will use sea freight for their main shipment. Containers typically arrive via a major port like Barcelona. Then they travel overland to their final destination. Question 4. Is Spanish customs difficult to navigate? It's detailed but straightforward when done correctly. Spain requires an itemized inventory of all items in your shipment, proof of your visa or residency status, and identification, like your passport and your NIE number if you have it. Your relocation team at SDC will prepare these documents for you and ensure they align with Spanish custom requirements before your shipment leaves the U.S. Question 5. How can SDC International Shipping help? Moving involves multiple steps. We're talking packing, freight, customs, and delivery, and each has its own timeline and paperwork. SDC International Shipping coordinates all of that for you and keeps your timeline organized and your stress low. For more information, you can visit our website or give us a call, 844-651-7050.